Oh, Maisley Hernandez celebrating her first birthday, and we're bringing Maisley back because I want to wish her grandparents a good morning as they have the opportunity to watch their big girl on air celebrating that first birthday in Oswego. So Maisley, a happy birthday, and Grandma and Grandpa, a good morning to you.
All right, happy birthday, Maisley. And a happy birthday going out to Adeline Winter, who is 3 years old this year.
We've got a lot going on.
She's rocking the stuffed animals there and the big purse. Like it. She's ready to go. Adeline is 3 in St. Paul.
You can't miss Adeline in a crowded place, that is for sure. That is an array of colors, kiddo. I love that. Kaylee Rutherford, she is celebrating her 9th birthday. Nice catch, Miss Kaylee. Absolutely love it. She is in Iola.
In Parsons, Leighton Lewis is turning 12 years old. If you're wondering why he's standing in front of all those tires, it's because he is a huge racing fan.
Big Denny Hamlin fan. Yeah. Got the number 11 FedEx rocking. Love it. Love that. We also have a Sweet 16 for Emma Stewart. Emma, I want you to know that this birthday wish comes with love from Mom and Dad, and you have a great 16th birthday, young lady.
All right, and Gregory Winter turning the big 4-0 today. There's Gregory there with his friend. What a sweet one. Sweet one there. Happy birthday, Gregory.
I like that. Lisa Nicholson, happy 46th birthday. I would love to know the background behind that picture right there. I'm going to guess that perhaps those are the ones Miss Nicholson raised that are possibly giving her a hard time. But Lisa, very happy birthday in Nevada, and this comes with love from your cousin Amanda.
That is a fun picture.
That's a great picture right there.
In Parsons, Nato Perez turning.
Turn back the clock on Nito. I love it.
That picture. Oh, somebody was. You're not supposed to frown on your birthday there, buddy.
That's good.
Yeah. Let's see. 49 years old this year for Nato. He's in Parsons.
Doesn't look a day over 1 to me.
Hey, he says, "It's my party and I'll cry if I want to."
Happy birthday, Nito.
There you go.
Rod Watson is celebrating his 56th birthday. Mr. Watson, a very happy birthday in Weir.
Tommy Lawrence turning the big 6-0 this year.
Yeah.
Rocking out there with Tommy in Independence. And his brothers Chuck and Duffy say, have a rockin' birthday.
That's a great picture right there. Happy birthday, Tommy. Oh, Tom Dietz, our good friend, celebrating his 72nd birthday. Tom is one of our 4 state heroes and also uncle to our graphic artist, Will York. Tom, I want you to have a marvelous day in Weir.
All right. In Columbus, Karen Johnston celebrating a birthday today. I hope you have a wonderful one, Karen.
And we got a Lovell anniversary as Drew and Ashton are celebrating their 3rd. Congratulations to the Lovells. And I hope you have a marvelous, marvelous anniversary in Arma.
All right. Joy Delmont celebrating a happy birthday today, along with Seth Rosso, who's 20 years old in Columbus, and in Crestline, Joyce Palmer. Happy birthday to you.
Caden Kendall had a birthday yesterday. We'll bring you back for today's celebration, Caden. A happy 25th birthday with love from the family in Parsons. And Miss Cindy Dean, happy 49th birthday to you. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's